Right, here's a little something I've been working on recently. £250 off of eBay. It's a Daihatsu Domino L80 model. To be honest, if I'd have known how rotten it was, I probably wouldn't have bought it. As you can see here, all of this has been rebuilt. New sills. The sills had to be made. Folded those up on my folder. A lot of rust around the windscreen and in the scuttle. In the bulkhead where the scuttle meets the bulkhead. All the way along. Had to take both of these panels out and then weld them back in. All of this front end's been off and welded back on again. Some of it rust repairs, mainly the subframe mounts at the front, but also a little bit of modification. If you notice, focus, made a bit of a recess here for a bit of extra clearance because this is going in it. I've already had it in mounted and all the wiring's done, and I've still got to sort out intercooler and stuff like this. This is a JBDET from Daihatsu Copen. I happen to have a Copen that was rotten and going for scrap with a really good engine, so hey, why not make use of it? It's not been the most straightforward of conversions because I had to convert it from a cable gear linkage to a rod linkage. This is the new section of floor for the gear stick being welded in here. I've still got to make a little bit of a modification to the slam panel where I've just marked it here. That, believe it or not, is to clear the turbo. That's how tight a fit it is. Obviously the engine's a 4-cylinder instead of a 3, so it's bound to be. The next job is to fix this horrendously rotten front subframe, which is going to be an absolutely mammoth task, but I've got no chance whatsoever of getting another one, so there's going to be a few hours worth of fabricating and welding to get this back into shape. And once that's done, I need to tackle the other sill, which is ugh. It doesn't actually look that bad, but knowing what the other side was like, it'll be horrendous. There's also some fairly nasty rot in the inner arch on this side. Got to take that fuel filler neck out to get to it. Fortunately, cosmetically, the body's pretty good. Like door bottoms and stuff are all really nice. Wheel arches are good. So I'm sure once I finish this epic welding marathon, it'll be quite a nice little car. And well, the Copen engine's 70 horsepower, but the car is about 600 kilos, so even with a stock engine it should be quite good fun. More on this as I get to it.